Hello, I would like to introduce you to our modular cabinets designed for compressors. The Euro 1 modular system is specifically designed for structures capable of housing and protecting industrial equipment, such as compressors. Our modular cabinets offer numerous advantages, including weather resistance, easy installation, guaranteed equipment protection, and architectural enhancement. Last, but certainly not least, we offer a variety of finishing options and colors for the profiles, ensuring that the structure seamlessly harmonizes with the aesthetics of the building. Pro-Lam, the system for your great ideas.